So we want to remove the active theme in WordPress. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance on the left and open Themes. This theme in left up corner is active. If you click Theme Details, here you cannot remove it. So all you're gonna have to do is to close this and just activate another theme. You can use any theme you want, also the default WordPress one. Click on Activate. And now find the theme which was previously active, which is here. So you cannot remove active theme, you have to activate another one and then delete the previous active theme. So now click on Theme Details and down here is Delete. Simply click that. You have to confirm and now the theme is gone. The reason WordPress doesn't let you delete an active theme is simple. Your website would have no theme running and it would break. If you have any question, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.